attention to me.
I was totally paying attention to Don. He was flagging me to go. But I was hearing the music. Hey, hello, everybody. It's Michelle, Unicorn, Spit, and Cricut. And I'm very excited because today I'm going to YOLO the whole Cricut experience. So, what I had done, let me see if I can open my thing here. It knows my thumbprint. Look what I did. If you look down here, I have the Cricut app on my iPad. And they had like all these fonts and stuff. And they had everything in the whole wide world ready for me to go. However, I couldn't find a compass that I really like. So I went on Google and just took an image and then downloaded it and then imported it. And it automatically came in to take away everything I didn't want. And I thought it was really freaking cool. It was so easy. I didn't even need Don's help, even though he sat there and tried to help me in another program for a while. So now I got it made, and I think it looks really cool. Now, I just want to make sure that I did it right, and that's one thing I'm really nervous about. I want it to be 24 inches long, and I want it to be a foot tall. And Dawn, are you able to read their comments? Because I need them to guide me through. Do you want me to get it? I can't use my iPad because I'm going to use it for the Cricut. Here, let me get my phone going. So let me see here if I can open it. If anybody is thinking about getting an iPhone X, don't. They suck. They're horrible. They're supposed to be made for social media, but it has absolutely no idea what's going on. And so many of my apps are not compatible with it. It's ridiculous. And it's too late now for me to go back to the iPhone 7. So if anybody's thinking about getting that thing, don't do it. Stick with the 7 or the 8. Oh, look it. I'm up. I'm live. All right, I can see myself now. I'm really nervous about. And I'm really far behind in my video. All right, it has to be 11.5 and 24.5. That's what Michelle Austin said. And that's what Dawn said. All right, so how can I tell if I touch it? It says that it's 12.3. So I need the width. No, I need the height. And I want the width to be 24.5. Oh, geez. That just changed the one little thing. Yeah, but it only changed. I'm hitting undo. Thank God. Tarnations. 23.5. That would make better sense. 23.5.
11.5 by 23.5.
Yeah. And that makes sense. However, everything's not one piece. So everything's individual. Each one of these little lines is individual. Are you able to zoom in on my iPad a little better? No. So each one of these is its own little piece. So if I'm looking at it, oh, I wonder if I can sync it. Attach first. Hit the lock button. Hit the lock button. Lock, lock, lock.
You need to weld it.
I need to weld it.
Select it all.
Okay, you need to weld it. There's actions. Okay,
I feel like
that.
I'm watching the Three Stooges learning how to use an iPad.
Oh my gosh, I'm clicking the weld button. All right, is it all? Ew, it made some of the letters look ugly. That ruined, I'm going to undo. There we go. All right, so welding wasn't the right thing. You need to put it all together, then make it bigger. Select all and attach. Okay. Actions. Select all and attach. Nope. Okay, hold on. That got all weird looking. Undo. Oh, geez. Wait a minute. Actions. I don't see select all. When I go into actions, there's group, ungroup, group. Nope. I can't touch group. Edit. Nope. Sync. Nope. Layers. Nope. I'm not hitting undo again. Steph Meyer is watching. Select all and attach. Do you see select all? All right. If I go to image, no. How do I get out of here? Dear Lord. Okay, good. Actions. See, there's no select all. Yes, layers. Okay, I'm going to hit layers. Now what? Select all the layers. Nope. Use my fingers to make a box around it all. Okay. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Actions. Edit. Layers. No layers. All right. Try putting a box around it. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, I got a box around it. Now what? Put a box around it, and I got that. Hey. Okay.
That's it.
It needs to go back. It needs to go up here.
Well,
it's all set.
It merged it. Look.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
See,
All right.
Unlock it.
Don't unlock it. All right. Now I need to make it a certain size. Now let's see. Attach. Now hit attach. Attach. Okay. Now it's attached. All right. Now I got to make it a certain size. And let's see, how do I do this? By edit, at 23.5 by 11.5, right? All right, we got that done. I think we got that done, but I think if it goes over 12 inches, won't I lose? Oh, I don't know. 23.9, no, 23.5 is how big it needs to be. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Yes. Everybody's saying yes. Okay. Are you guys ready? All right. I turned it on. And then I'm going to open this up. This is my Aura mask. But you made it 11.5. What am I supposed to make it? Something else besides 11.5? I thought 11.5 was where it was supposed to go. Ay. Yes, but you made it 11.5. Well, it wants to do 11.3. It keeps going back to that by 23.5. So, I don't know. It has to be smaller than 11.5 and 23.5, but you can make it whatever size under those to keep in proportion. That's right. Okay. Oh my gosh, Lord Almighty, this is ridiculous. Okay.
You can do this. I have faith in you.
Fudge. And then I watched last night that with this stuff, you don't have to use a thingamajigger.